I think you have also worked with Vikas Khanna, Sanjeev Kapoor, and we've actually also screened some of your work. And you, as I think, also contributed to that Utsav book from Vikas Khanna. Tell us something about food styling, and if somebody wants to pursue it.
Oh, so food styling is a very interesting career option. Also, and I'm very happy, Komal, that you're asking this question, because hotel management is not only about the four aspects. It's not only about kitchen, service, front office, and housekeeping.
Correct.
It goes much beyond. The life of a chef, and let me elaborate this a little, is no longer just stirring the cauldron. It's not only about stirring what is cooking.
Correct.
We can go much beyond that. A chef can eventually also become a food analyst. Remember that. If you
True.
can speak well, if you can research well, if you can remove extracts from different places, voice them in a different way, cover it up in the form of an article, and submit it to a magazine or to a newspaper or to a column, you can turn a columnist.
True.
Very important, right?
Right.
It does not want you to have any other degrees attached to it or any other diplomas attached to it.
Correct.
It is just the
Correct.
same career that goes forward. You can also become a food stylist. I'm happy that you got this question in, because what is the life of a food stylist? It's very important to understand. Food
Yeah.
stylist karta kya? When you flip through cookbooks or when you see these wonderful food pictures in magazines or in newspapers or on television, you watch these brilliant advertisements.
Correct.
Which, if you remember the Sundrop ad, the Puri running behind a child.
Correct. Correct.
Remember in the 90s, right?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
all food. It's all food styling.
Correct.
राइट सो एक 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 खाने की जो चीज है वो इवेंचुअली कैसे दिखनी चाहिए that is food style. Now,
Correct.
for example, if you keep the cover, if the summer on my plate is my second book, if you can just scroll the page a little above, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, if you see this picture very closely, right? If you see the summer on my plate picture very closely, what is it? It is nothing but butta.
Right.
Butta is corn on the cob, as we very popularly know, जो चौपाटी पे खाया जाता है मसाला
Correct.
लगा के,
Correct.
right? If you see this very closely, ये भुट्टे को पेश करने की बहुत बहुत तरीके हैं, right? I
Right.
just roasted it. I could have kept it on a plate. I could have
Correct.
roasted it on charcoal and clicked it on a charcoal, which would have looked very healthy,
Correct.
right? In this, what I have done, I have peeled one butta completely, and I've kept one butta intact. And
Correct.
right next to it, I've placed a little katori of butter,
Correct.
which has got the flavor. Right.
It's really
Now,
nice.
this became the cover of my book.
Right.
Now, it's very important that food should look fresh. It should look natural. It should not look made up, which is very important.
Correct.
I'm possibly one of the only food stylists in the country who uses fresh food for styling. I do not use Fevicol and make it look like milk. I do not use acids. I do not use chemicals to make the food look fresh. So
Correct.
that is my take on food. Now, when it comes to Utsav, which is the book that you were talking about,
Yes.
Utsav is a Vikas Khanna pet project by Bloomsbury. Utsav,
Right.
let me also tell you, is one of the most expensive cookbooks in the world. Vikas Khanna and I are very, very, very dear friends. We are like buddies, we are like brothers. Like,
Right.
day does not begin and end without interacting, chatting with each other. If you're that big
Great.
and that close. When Vikas kind of was doing this book, which is Utsav, he had almost a good 10, 12 years of research in this book. When he came and showed the book to me, I told him that, Vikas, the book is very nice, let me tell you. But I see a big scope of improvement when it comes to food pictures.
Right.
So Vikas, he lapped it up wonderfully well. He lapped it beautifully because, creative people are very egoistic. The moment you tell them कि तुम्हारा पोर्ट्रेट बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन उसकी ना नाक टेढ़ी है, getting it? या तुम्हारा
True.
घोड़ा बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन उसका स्टांस गलत है. आपने स्टांस की ट्रेनिंग ले ली होती ना तो आपका घोड़ा बहुत अच्छा दिखता.
Correct.
And this may get teased up. But what is wonderful about is that you should be moldable, you should be modelable, right? You
Right.
should be pliable so much so that you can absorb suggestions. because that again is your power. That becomes a superpower eventually, right?
Correct.
Now, food
Correct.
styling is one such arena where you make the food look presentable, food look good, which is very important. And having said
Right.
all of that, you understand a little bit of sunlight,
Right.
because I
True.
also do not use artificial lights when I'm styling my food. I
True.
use natural sunlight. I start early,
Right.
I end up early,
True.
right? So that's another complete different aspect. Again, different people have different ideas about food styling. I have my friend who works with me. His name is Piyush,
Right.
and let me tell you this incident. He had just graduated out of a photography school, and Piyush approached me and he said, "Chef, I want to work with you, and we can do a lot of food together and this and that and blah blah." I said, "एक काम कर बेटा, कल आजा घर पे, कल कुछ करते हैं." I remember Piyush with four of his friends came with lights and reflectors and this and that and blah. वो पूरा उसका ना किट लेके आया. So I remember telling Piyush कि पूरा किट ना आपका बाहर रख दो स्टूडियो के. I want only you inside with your camera.
Right.
So he said, no, that's the tool that's required for photography. I said, I don't work with tools. I only work with humans. आप बस कैमरा लेके आ जाओ, बाकी हम खेल लेंगे. Komal
True.
could not believe she completed the entire book in 3 days without even touching the tools,
Amazing.
because we wanted to capture food in natural light, in daylight.
Right. Correct.
That's how when you see Utsav, it's a brilliantly shot book. Even if I say so, it's a brilliantly shot book. And let me also tell you that whether you see Utsav now in 2020 or you see Utsav in 2060, the food is going to look appealing. The food is going to look, you want to
True.
reach out to the paper and eat the food.
Correct. Correct.
It's like
Absolutely. I mean,
the book that I've done in the past has only followed that principle of food looking fresh, food
true.
looking ahead of its time. Simple.
Correct.